Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine at your home and stay at your home and be safe. Yes, dear students, I am Manpitka, your SSC teacher from California Public School. In the last two videos, we have to discuss about the stages of the early human evolution, and next video, we have to discuss about the sources that help us to understand the life of early humans. In it, we have to discuss about the literary sources and archaeological sources. In archaeological sources, we have discussed about the first one fossils and second one the bones. Now in this video we have to read next archaeological sources. First one is the tools. Early humans used stones, animal bones and wood to make tools. These are the materials to make the tools: stones, bones of the animals and wood. The evolution of early human is the best known through their tools. Means we have to know about which type of tools they have to use from the to read this evolution. In the beginning, early humans used objects they found as a tool. If they have to find any object, they use them tool to protect themselves from the wild animals. Later, they made tools as per their needs. So, tools expert to know and understand the following. Which things they have to understand our experts from the tools? Material that early humans used to make tools. Which type of material they have to use? Firstly, they have made the tools of the stones, bones, wood. Then after that they have to use any another material. Ways in which early humans adapted in their surroundings. How they have to adopt the things from the surroundings. Third one, the areas where early humans lived. In which area early human lived, near to jungle, near to river, and which type of tools we have to find. This one we have to judge it. The archaeological sites from where the tools are found tell us about the areas in the inhabitation, which how they have to be lived, which type of area is there. These things we also find from their tools. Next one is the utensils. Utensils. Early humans made simple, sharp stone tools for cutting and pudding meat. They have to make simple but sharp stone tools. For which purpose? For cutting meat of the animals and pudding meat को बनाने के लिए. Much later, early humans learned to make pots. After that, early humans know how to make a pots. They used them to store the food and water, and they used the pots to store the food and the water. Some of the oldest pots were made up of about 18,000 years ago. Means 18,000 years ago's oldest pot were be found. And next and the last one is the cave paintings. Cave paintings have been found in many parts of the world. Early humans also lived in the caves. So when they have to live in the caves, they have to draw something. How they have to be live. They know about the art. So they draw something on the walls of the caves. So that is called the cave painting. The most famous one are in the Spain, France and India. These are the main three countries where we have to find the cave painting. Look in this picture. In this way, in the caves, they have to draw the pictures of the related their life, which type of animals they have to hunt, how they have to hunt. They have to explain their feelings by the drawing art. The first paints are made by the grinding stones into the paste. पेस्ट ग्राइंडिंग स्टोन्स को ग्राइंड कर कर पेस्ट बनाकर उनकी पेंटिंग करते थे. मोस्ट के पेंटिंग्स शो एनिमल्स शो करते हैं सच एज डियर, बिसन, मेमोथ्स एंड सो ऑन. डियर हिरन, बिसन, हम जिसे कह सेकेंड वन मेमोथ्स, that is the one type of elephant, and so on. Some show early human huntings. Early humans, how they have to be hunt the animals, they have to be draw in the as a painting, while others show them dancing, how they have to celebrate their festivals, this one also show in the paintings. Thus, by studying the such evidences, archaeologists can understand how early human lived. Means with these sources, archaeologists understand the life of the early humans, how they have to be spent their life. So these sources are very important for the archaeologists to study about the early humans. So students, this is our the first chapter. In this chapter we have to discuss about main two things. First one is the stages of the human evolution. Second one is the sources that help us to understand the human life, early human life. So students, listen it carefully. Take care. Bye bye.